Welcome to day 2 of Intraday Market Focused. So today, as you guys know, we're gonna be focusing and analyzing on pairs like your NASDAQ, gold, as well as DAX30. I'll break it down in the simplest form. So whether you are a beginner, intermediate trader, or even an advanced trader, you're more than welcome to take my setups and also do comment down below what you think about them or the overall direction on whatever pair we'll be analyzing. And of course, one more announcement before we can jump onto the chart. As you guys know, we are doing live trading sessions every New York Open. So we're trading the New York opening bell on NASDAQ and US30. So I'm very excited about that. Do join us. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe. And of course, for the OGs that have been following us, just planning on joining our mentorship, now I have good news for you. We're having 50% off our advanced trading course as well as our mentorship discount. So it's one thing, so you get a 50% off until this month end. So people who have been planning on joining us or have been looking at our website, 50% off. I want you to use the number on the screen to chat to our admin. She will assist you with to enroll or just more information about our course. I will see you on the chart right now. So as you can see here, we're on the market on NASDAQ. Let me just zoom in for everybody who's just using a phone over here. I'm using an ultra view monitor over here by Huawei. It's quite good quality, but nevertheless I see very good stuff over here. Now I want to go all the way to the daily time frame over here, and I just want to show you exactly what I'm seeing. Already yesterday I did indicate that we did have a bearish engulfing there over there, so definitely I do still expect the market to be quite bearish for this week overall. So of course, if we can touch areas such as this fair value gaps right here, that would be great in terms of mitigating for the whole week. I'm not saying we're just going to be selling off smoothly. Maybe we might get pullbacks, but nevertheless we just want to be concerned about what's actually happening today. And if I just go to the 4 hour, I want to take actually the very trend of this to just break it down for you. As you can see, we did have the market sell off, we did have a pullback, we did have the market sell off, pullback, sell off, and then now we're getting a pullback. So I want us to navigate when was the last lower high in the market, and that's exactly what I'm going to take. I'm going to take the last lower high, and that's what we're going to use as our supply. And as you can see, that is our supply there. I'm taking that because we do have, if you go to the 4 hour again over here on NASDAQ, we do have a lot of imbalance that the market has given us our momentum candle. So definitely I'm looking forward to the market pulling back to these levels over here, or to that price zone. Okay, so as you can see, that's the 4H zone. I'm on the H1 time frame right now, and exactly as you can see here, we can actually pull back. I want to put for you a Fibonacci. Take it at the highest of the trend, take it at the lowest. We can clearly see now how it looks. In fact, let me just put it accurately here in terms of putting Fibonacci's. So there we go. Okay, then I'm just gonna stretch it all the way here, then we can see exactly. So my orange represents the discount market, and of course from 0 to 50 there represent the premium market. So definitely I'm looking forward to the market actually just during London right now. If it can actually give us buys, then I know that during New York we can be looking forward to more sells. Okay, so that's the condition and prediction for NASDAQ. Overall, what I see is that London, at least if we can mitigate and really get buys, definitely again we can be looking forward to that. How would you get buys on this one? If you actually take the zone over here, this demand, and the market pulls back into the demand and it buys off, that will be awesome. Now I want to go to the next pair. I don't want to waste a lot of time here. I believe it will be gold or German 30. So German 30, yesterday we did an analysis over here. We did this analysis over here yesterday, and as you can see, the market did actually pull back into that analysis I am still holding this trade, just that I didn't really put the stop loss that I put over here. It's more like I put it above. I don't usually put stop losses right at the zone. People watch my content, you know exactly what I do. I say give the market room to breathe. So I put it round about above here. Okay, so there's this high here. I used it on MetaTrader, and I just put it above that because I know that if the market has to spike, at least it won't take up this wick over here, and that's exactly what it did. It just spiked in, but my entry was all the way here at the beginning. But nevertheless, we're fetching take profit 1 over here. So what's my prediction? This is not just me showing off of a trade that's still profitable. What's my prediction? I want to give you rather an instruction that you should obey. You see what it's doing over here? It's giving us what we call an engulfing candle. Okay, this engulfing candle, of course, it's responding to a fair value gap right here. Okay, as you can see, that's that fair value gap over there. And on the 4 hour, so people who are listening for DAX30, on the 4 hour we do have a fair value gap that's only, I mean, an engulfing candle that's only left with about 3 hours to close. So once it closes and it is closed as an engulfing or a bearish engulfing pattern, you can actually take this trade to become more bearish. There's a lot of confluence or correlation rather with Nasdaq and DAX30. So definitely they are almost going in the same direction. Not the same patterns, but same direction. And of course, take profits that I'm looking forward to is that it will create a new lower low. So definitely I'm excited about that. It's a very simple setup. I don't want to break it down so much, right? If we go to gold now, gold, yesterday many of you guys caught the buys. I am very glad of that. It actually pulled back. I did a very rough sketch over here, as you can see, this D standing for a demand over there. But let me just show you what I was talking about for those who didn't watch yesterday's episode of day 1. Okay, as I said, when I talk about the premium and discount, this is the discount markets, and the market, of course, during London, it pulled back into this area over here of demand, and the market, of course, started buying. So many of you actually ate on this buy over here. So do I still predict buys as well for gold? Of course I do. We're still in a discount market, so definitely if we can actually be still here, we can be pulling all the way to those sell areas that I'm looking forward to. If you're looking at buys, and after I've uploaded this, at least if the market can break this 23 level, pull back, then you buy again on the 23 level, of course, and then you can take your take profits around about at your 50% Fibonacci level over there. So that's my signal sort of trade focused for this family. I hope this actually blesses you so much. Don't forget to engage in the comment section, guys. This is gonna help you so much. And also do not forget our live trading sessions that we're having every New York Open. So I'm very excited about that. And as well, 50% off our mentorship course. So do of course get our admin to assist you with enrolling and the prices over there. God bless you. See you later on.